first thing we need to do is obviously chop up some kosher dill pickles. Now you can use either type of pickle shape you want. I had these chip pickles that I had to use up that I have from a different recipe, and then I just did some spears. But you want 8 ounces of chopped up pickles. And if you want to do like a garlic dill pickle or something like that, that would be great too. And this is so delicious. This recipe is great for meal prepping. This recipe is great for parties. It's awesome. So I really hope you try it out. And as always, the full write-out recipe is on my blog, and you can find all the ingredients and everything in the description box down below. So our pickles are done being chopped. The next little veggie that we're going to prep are going to be sugar snap peas. I love sugar snap peas. They're so good. And I like them when they're microwaved a little bit. So I'm just going to microwave them for like 30 seconds to a minute until they're bright green like this. And then I decided to cut them in half on a bias just to give them like a little bit of shape and dimension and fun, and they'd be more bite-sized. And the sugar snap peas add such a delicious flavor to this and a nice little crunch as well. Then I'm going to finally chop up some green onion. I love that it gives like a different flavor and dimension to the pasta salad. We're going to cook our pasta. I'm using a protein plus pasta. You can use any pasta that you like, but I like using the protein pasta because it obviously adds extra protein to the dish, makes it more like a main dish kind of thing. Let's make our dressing. We're going to use vegan Greek style yogurt. Then we're going to add in some tahini, nice high quality runny tahini. My favorite is Soom. Then we're going to add in a bunch of different seasonings in here. Everything is listed down below, like I said. And this dressing is kind of like a ranch dressing, like ranch style. And then we're going to add in pickle brine, which is the secret ingredient. It makes it so good, makes it taste pickly, and a splash of water. And then I'm just going to mix this up until it is all well combined. You could give it a taste, add in any extra seasonings that you like, and this dressing is so delicious. After the pasta was done cooking, I strained it out and rinsed it under cold water, and now we can just assemble our pasta salad. So I'm adding in all those prep veggies, and then we're going to add in lupini beans. I love lupini beans. They are an amazing source of plant protein. They're so delicious. These are from the brand Brine, and they're like pickled sea salt and vinegar. I figured that would be good for our meal. And then I'm going to add in the pickles and my green onion, and that's it. You could of course add other things into this if you like. You can customize it. Pasta salad is so easy for customizing. And then let's pour that beautiful dressing over top, and that's it. Now you have pasta salad ready to just mix up how you like. Just, oh, that dressing is so good. And now I'm just going to mix it up. If you've seen my other salad videos before, you know I like to add some dressing, mix it up, add more dressing, mix it up. I don't know, I find I can evenly coat everything in the salad much better if I do that. So once I'm done giving this a good toss, I'll add the rest of that salad dressing, and then I will toss it again. If you were looking for some additions to put in this pasta salad, I did toy around with doing a buffalo tofu for this, but then I went with the lupini beans ultimately because I've just been loving them. I'm topping it here with these are actually carrot tops from the garden because I didn't have any parsley, but I wanted some greenery, so that's what I did. But you could use fresh parsley, and that's it. This is so beautiful, so delicious. The protein pasta, the rotini, is so good if you've never tried it. And like I said, you can enjoy this as a full meal, or you can enjoy it as a side dish if you want to add some vegan feta in there. But the pickle flavor in this is delicious, and I don't think it needs too much in here to make it delicious. Like it's simple and good on its own. And now it's just time to plate it up and enjoy. If you haven't seen the other videos in our summer season, go check them out. We've made a delicious vegan ice cream cake. There have been lots of good recipes, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with another video. Bye.